Hi, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Janu, and I talk about all things mindful and sustainable living. Today, I'm going to share eco-friendly kitchen and bathroom products that I've been loving lately. So let's hop into the video. First up on the list is Osea. I've been using them for years now. They are on the pricey side, but it definitely lasts you a long time. Their body oil, I really love. It goes a long way. If you have just a little bit of oil and you smooth it on your hands, it's great for elbows, really all over the body. I love to just put it on my chest area because it is a little expensive. So I'll just put it on my chest area and I'm just glowing, and I'll put body lotion on the rest of my body. But this just leaves you glowing, and then I'll even put it on my legs if I'm like wearing a dress. But I love that it comes packaged in glass. You can easily use these for other things and refill them once you empty the bottle, and you could like maybe take it to a zero waste shop and refill it with other things. But I really love this body oil. They also have this collagen body lotion that is a bit newer. I am almost 30. We're getting 30 soon, so I'm trying to do as much anti-aging as possible, and collagen is really good for that. So this is also vegan as well if you're curious, but it's really hydrating. I can put this all over my body. I love that this is using cleaner ingredients, and I definitely trust this brand. I'm sure you've seen it before, and I would highly recommend this little duo right here. Next on the list, we have this Use to the People clay mask. This is really good for someone like me that has acne prone skin. Whenever I go and get a facial, they always tell me clay masks are good because that really helps with getting all the gunk out of your face and sort of maintaining that healthy balance in your skin. So this uses different clays, and I use it about 1 to 2 times a week all over my face, and then I'll also do a spot treatment. But it comes packaged in a glass container. I've really been enjoying it. You can find this at Sephora. Some zero waste stores also carry this as well, but I have been liking this. It also has niacinamide in it, kombucha, and BHA. So really great things for people like me that have acne prone skin, oily skin, and I have really been liking this lately. When it comes to beauty products that are sustainable and don't use a lot of plastic, it can be really difficult to find, but there are some options that I've been using that I've been enjoying. On my lips right now, I'm using this lipstick by Mob Beauty, and this is a paper tube. This is paper as well. I do think there is a small, this part right here is plastic, but they are refillable, so you can just purchase the refill, so it is less plastic altogether. It's hard to find a perfectly plastic-free option, but it's good to find options that just use less plastic. This color I really have been enjoying. It's on my lips right now. I also have another video that I can link down below that is my go-to beauty routine. It's just very simple, very easy, clean beauty products, and I will put that video in the description box below, and I will also put the color and information of all these products in the description box. But I have really been liking this. You can also put a little bit of gloss on top of this, which brings us to this RMS gloss. I think they call it more of a lip balm, but it is definitely very glossy, and it comes out of an aluminum container, and you can easily just put this on your lips. You can recycle this tube once you're done. I like how small it is. It can easily fit into your purse, and it's also a clean beauty product as well. So it's great to see more options now that are for girlies that care about the planet, want clean products, and also want to reduce plastic. Next on the list is this toothpaste by Plus Ultra. This is a new brand on the market. You can find them at Whole Foods. You can find them at Grove Collaborative online. Their first batch that they had honestly was not great. It would sort of crystallize inside, and the texture just like wasn't quite there. But they recently sent me a new one with their new formula, and I have to say that I really do like this. A lot of times these sustainable toothpastes are very runny, and as you can see, this one is just like a gel, and I really like it. It's green, feels minty, fresh, clean. Because I've tried other sustainable toothpaste, and when you're brushing your teeth with them, it just feels kind of watery. But I really do like this one, and I like their new formula, so I would highly recommend it now. Tooth tabs I'll sometimes take when I am traveling, but as someone that also has a retainer, I can't really brush my retainer with tooth tabs when traveling, so I do have like a mini toothpaste. But when I am at home, I do do prefer this over tooth tabs. Tooth tabs can be a great sustainable option as well, but once you're done with this, you can cut it open, rinse it out, and throw this in the recycling bin. Before we move on to the last few products of this video, I wanted to share with you the sponsor of this video, Grove Collaborative. If you know me and you've been watching my videos since day one, I have been a fan of Grove. I've always talked about their products. I love them so much because it makes it easy to find sustainable products for your home, whether it's your kitchen, bathroom, beauty. A lot of the products I've already listed are actually on Grove Collaborative's website, which I will have linked down in the description box below for you. But if you're new to Grove, Grove is an online retailer and socially responsible company making shopping sustainably easy and accessible. All orders are sent right to your front door, always carbon neutral and plastic offset. Grove carries 200 plus home cleaning, pet, wellness, vitamin, and personal care products from brands you may already know like Method, 7th Generation, Osea, Mrs. Meyer's, Ollie, Burt's Bees, and even Grove Co., which is their own brand, and so many more. Moving on to kitchen products I really enjoy. Grove Collaborative has their own line called Grove Co., and they have a variety of different home essentials like this hand soap right here. First of all, this smells amazing. It comes in an aluminum bottle, and this particular scent is in partnership with the Nature Conservatory. This looks really cute on my bathroom counter, and I have been enjoying this lately. Aluminum is great because it's infinitely recyclable, but you can also refill it. So they have hand soap, and they also have like dish soap as well, which if you've been following me, as I said before, you know that I have been using their products. You can find the refills at Grove Collaborative, but you can also find them at Target too, which is great. So it can be easy to pick up in one day if you want, but I have been loving their products. I will stand by these products forever, and it just makes it so easy to reduce your plastic usage and just be more conscious. For me, you know, it's not about being perfect, but it's just trying to be the best version of myself, trying to be the best consumer and be a conscious consumer. So I really try to reduce plastic usage, reduce waste overall. So I offer things that I can refill, reuse, repurpose, and I would highly recommend their hand soap, dish soap, all the soaps. If you're someone that uses a lot of paper towels, it's time for you to stop wasting money. I really love using Swedish dishcloths. If you've never heard of these are a great alternative. So what you do is you wet them up under water, you squeeze it, and then you can wipe down, let's say, a counter. You can use a cleaning spray. Grove offers cleaning sprays as well, which come in concentrates, and you can just add the water, which is great. But I use these to clean up pretty much any mess. And what I also really like about these is they're compostable. So when you are done with them, which can be, I don't know, maybe 3 months, 6 months, it just depends on how you use them and how dirty they get. You can cut them up into pieces and you can simply compost them. These are made out of plant-based materials, which is great. And again, we are reducing plastic because typical dish sponges contain plastic, which are leaking microplastics into our waterways. So it's great to find options that are plastic-free to clean our home. I know for people that have pets and kids, you might want to have some paper towels on hand, which is completely fair, but there are options like bamboo paper towels that you can use as well. And bamboo takes up a lot less resources and space when it is growing. So it's just a little bit of a better option if you are looking for something that is like a traditional paper towel that you can throw away. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know if you've already tried any of these products, or are some of these going to be on your list the next time you need them. Let me know. I'll put everything in the description box below for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.